dear Railway Minister and the officers, and this is the Visakhapatnam station and platform 3, in between platform 3 and 4. This is the situation, and the time is around 5 o'clock, and you see the cleanliness of this station. Oh my goodness, it looks like we are in it's very painful to see that we are in, whether we are in Pakistan or India, I don't know. You see the Swach Bharat Aviyan. Dear Prime Minister Modi ji, I like you, but this is what happening in railways nowadays. I'll show you this. This is the Visakhapatnam station. This is the Visakhapatnam station, and you can realize. I'm sorry, sir. Very sorry to say that.